Hello, 8th grade. For the last 2 weeks, you've been looking at the 5 different types of nonfiction text structures: description, compare contrast, cause and effect, sequence, chronological, problem solution, and I probably forgot one, but anyway. So we're not going to leave that alone. We're going to move forward and we're going to take those structures and you're going to choose a topic that you want to know more about. It can be a medieval topic like knights. I'm kind of partial to medieval medicine because it's gruesome. And then using 3 different of those different types of those structures, you're going to create a mini magazine. You're going to create a cover that has a title and images and headings and subtitles and special fonts like bold print, all caps, whatever. So we're going to take what we learned about the 5 different nonfiction text structures and we're going to use them in our own writing. Why isn't that letting me save? So the first thing you need to think about is, what do you want to explore? What topic? It could be a medieval topic or a topic of your own choosing, like baseball or four-wheeling or carpentry or astrophysics or cooking. The topic is totally up to you. I'm going to choose medieval medicine because, like I said before, it's gruesome. And because we didn't get a chance to finish our medieval unit, I want to share with you some of the other really cool things that I've learned about medieval times over the last couple of years. So once you've picked your topic, then what you need to think about is, what type of nonfiction structures, text structures, do you want to use to write 3 different paragraphs? So I've decided, because there's so many really cool things to learn about medieval medicine, I probably want to do just a general descriptive paragraph that's using a word web. And then might be really interesting to do a comparison of medieval medicine and modern medicine, especially given today's problems that we're dealing with. And then maybe cause and effect. So looking at what some of the treatments or some of the illnesses caused during medieval times and what the ultimate effects were. So to give you an idea of what I'm thinking, if I'm going to write my articles about the general topic of medieval medicine, then I'm going to need some subtopics. I'm going to need to think about, what is it I want to know about medieval medicine. So one of the subtopics I've decided to look into would be herbal remedies. I'm a gardener. I'm interested in holistic medicine. So learning how medieval people use plants and herbs and things like that to treat illness would be very interesting. I would use a descriptive structure for this because I think what I would just need to do is talk about the general use of herbs and plants in medicine, which plants were helpful, which plants were harmful, just do a general overview. And to organize this, I would use a word web. My next subtopic would be the differences between bloodletting and medicinal leeches. And you'll notice I use the abbreviation versus. So that already tells me that's going to be a comparison. I'm going to compare maybe the process of bloodletting versus the process of using medicinal leeches, or the outcome of bloodletting versus the outcome of medicinal leeches. So this type of topic or subtopic lends itself to a compare-contrast paragraph. My third subtopic would be on pandemics, particularly the Black Plague, and this topic would lend itself to writing either a cause and effect article, or perhaps putting it in chronological order: when it started, how long it went through, how long it took to get to Europe, and so on until the Black Plague was basically eliminated or ran its course. So my big topic is medieval medicine. I'm going to write a descriptive article, a couple paragraphs about herbal remedies. I'm going to write a compare-contrast article about bloodletting compared to using medicinal leeches. And lastly, I'm going to write a cause and effect or perhaps a chronological article about the Black Plague that was a pandemic of that time. I'll be writing my articles using a Pages document, and I'll probably use one of the newsletter templates. That way I can add pictures, I can add titles, subtitles, captions. All that stuff is already preset for me, so that would probably be the easiest way to create my 3 articles. And then when my articles are done, I'm going to create a color magazine cover to really showcase the topic and what subtopics that I have been exploring. So you'll notice that my topic is here, medieval medicine. That is the big topic. My subtopics are here, herbal treatments, and then bloodletting versus leeches, and lastly, the big pandemic article on the Black Plague. So my magazine cover will actually show you in advance what you're going to learn when you open the magazine. So this will be a project that I'd like you to have some fun with. You do not have to research a medieval topic unless you want to, because there's an awful lot of really interesting stuff there. You know, a lot of gross, gruesome, disgusting things that might be fun to learn. Or if you have a topic that you're feeling really passionate about, then try that. But the big idea is choose a topic, break it down into 3 subtopics, and as you're writing each of your articles, choose a different text structure to really practice what it's like to change your focus of how you're writing your information. So try a descriptive, try a compare and contrast, try a chronological, etc. Use those handouts that I gave you 2 weeks ago to show you some of those signal words that you might use to show that you're using chronological, to show that you're using compare, contrast, etc. So have some fun with it. These don't have to be printed. It's all digital, so when you're done, all you have to do is send it back to me. Good luck and have a great time.